This is the core theme of the event today. We have to. So this is Himanshu Hota. I represent Director HR of NALCO. Next to him, Dr. Prashant Hota, who is the head of CSR and so many designations. So I'm so sorry, I have not remembered. Then Professor Mandal, who is from IIT. His specialty is he is not into the corporate, he is not to implement the things, but he theoretically, philosophically, ideologically, he knows how it should be. After this panel discussion, we have houses, corporate houses, those who will present their best CSR activity, the model one, what they did last financial year. So I start from Professor Mandal because he is one impartial person to me because he's a professor, he's professor, so he knows what exactly it should be, how it should be. আমি ওড়িয়া ইংলিশরে ଯିବା যদি কমফর্টেবল হবা ওড়িয়া ইংলিশরে যাই পারিবা there is no problem. So my first question I will start from the title what I had given to you, CSR, irresponsibility without heart, fact or myth. How do you react on this? How do you open this statement?
Okay, so I think first of all, am I audible? Okay, so I'll just give a little more intro. So before I get into this debate or whatever you can call it, so I'm a metallurgist by profession, and I have taken up this charge of Dean Alumni, Corporate and International Relations. It's basically three portfolios rolled into one. So hopefully I'll make justice to this particular forum. So I have taken up this charge just a couple of weeks back. So I was pleasantly surprised by the call, and I thought whether I should be participating at all or not. But I think the previous speakers have made things at quite ease for me, and thanks to Mr. Hota and Dr. Patra and all the previous speakers. So I now have some idea about what's going on and what's expected from an educational institutes like IITs and all premier institutes. Now coming back to the question, so it's myth or fact. So I think if I see it from an educational point of view, a lot of activities are being carried out by this CSR front, and to be very clear, so not many IITs are into this CSR activity. It has, if I just quickly got into the website and checked, so not, it's though I'm sure the audience is aware, there are 23 IITs in India currently, right? And only a handful of them are really active in this CSR activities. And now it's almost kind of a mandate that IITs should have their CSR unit. So that's what is the status of this CSR activity. Now, whether it's a fact or a myth, now, so my take would be, like Dr. Patra mentioned, so we should get into something which is called as an organized CSR, which is not happening in any of the IIT. I have quickly gone through that, and I am very sure about it, and this is something which we need to take care of. So now take care of all these, so my answer would be it's kind of, it's a myth, and we are not really getting into what this CSR should be doing. So like, again, the previous speakers have already told that it should be, CSR should be by heart. So we should not get into those number games like 2% and all those figures. So with now the thing is how this CSRs can contribute to this in this initiatives of these higher institutes, institutes for learning. So one area where your CSR or the corporates can get into is funding. Though you may think that yes, IIT already has lots of funding from different agencies, but CSR also can pump in some more money in terms of CSR activities like those healthcare, because all the IITs, if you see closely, they are more or less located, at least the new generation of IITs, they're in a remote area. So this is, medtech is one area where I think IITs should get into, because it's not only the technology part which IITs can contribute significantly, also it can take care of all the health issues, like the simple ones, like the anemia, the blood pressure and the sugar, which our MPG mentioned. This is something really, really important, and this is something where these higher education centers should really work to establish these medtech centers. And if you again see, there are not medtech centers or medtech hubs which are present in India right now. Maybe Andhra Pradesh is leading the
Professor
pack.
Mandal, I'll just interrupt you here.
Yeah.
Since you are producing students, qualified, trained students, those who are becoming part of the corporate houses.
Yes.
And they are supposedly, some of them are definitely getting into CSR activity in the part of implementation. So how do you think you can put a heart into their mind while implementing CSR at the ground level?
Yes, that's interesting. And since the portfolio, if you see, the first word is alumni. So my role, or as a dean, so maybe I should get in touch with them, though I have just started the process. So we start sending them, call them, and figure out which are the alumni which are directly involved with this CSR part, because that would be the easy way. And since it's a relatively new IIT, not many alumni are into that position as of now, frankly speaking.
Thank you so
there are
much.
few of them. Yeah.
I'll just have the put the same question to Ranjan Babu, because he's into more social activity, and he's from a district, from a geographical region of Odisha, where industrialization has really put very negative impact in terms of environment, water, air, pollution, so many things. So what is your view on this particular statement, what we have created from the beginning, that CSR, responsibility without heart? How do you react on this?
Yeah, I think the very mandate that CSR was introduced was basically to put a heart. So within the industries also, what I have seen, many of the CSR personals, they have a heart. I don't deny that. They want to do something, but what is important is how many hearts actually your CSR activity is touching. And that is where I think a lot needs to be done. Because, why CSR was mandated? Everybody in India, in Indian society, is a charitable person. We know. आप मंदिर में दान करते हो, आप local जो है whatever, people have been doing this. There is a habit, but the mandate was brought in basically to do it in an organized, strategic, and I would say, in a sustainable approach. That is where, if you don't have a heart and if you don't have a mind together, then you can actually do organized CSR, you can actually do strategic CSR, but you cannot do a sustainable CSR unless you actually, I would add, you also add your mind to your heart. Because just having a heart is charity. But putting your mind, what Professor Mandal was saying, if you are technically not upgrading, if you are not, what Sambit ji was saying, if you are actually strategically not planning, keeping the region in mind, whichever region, you might have a mandate to work in Jharsuguda or maybe Puri or wherever you decide. But then are you doing it randomly, or are you actually doing it in a strategic way? So whatever you do, you put in your mind, you do a strategic planning, you bring in technology, and most importantly, bring in the people's knowledge, the people's participation, something that I don't find in most of the CSR, like in many government programs, is that people don't participate. Like you bring a project to the people. So I think something that we have been understood globally, sustainability comes only when you are actually starting from the bottom to the top. So CSR with a heart definitely is a myth at the moment, but not completely. but I would say it has got a lot of potential to change the scenario.
बट रंजन बाबू गोटे प्रश्न आपको रहिबो जे लोकमानकर इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो हे पारुनी बोली आम भावुचे सेटी कि रेस्पॉन्सिबल किए छे लोक माने निजे रेस्पॉन्सिबल ना कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस दो माने शेष एक्टिविटी करछंती स्पेशली आपण गोटे इंडस्ट्रियल बेल्ट रो बिलोंग करूछंती
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ହାଉସ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ହାଉସ୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ କାମ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନ୍ଜିଓକୁ ଧରୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକାଲ ସିଭିଲ୍ ସୋସାଇଟିକୁ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଡେଫିନାଇଟଲି ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ତାର ମନିଟରିଂ ଆଉ ଇଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ଟା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ନ କରିବ କି ଓକେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ୱାର୍କିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ଦିସ୍ ସିଭିଲ୍ ସୋସାଇଟି ବଟ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ you have to actually bring up the need-based projects from the people. It's not that, what I conceive. The problem is, what I conceive as an industrialist might be completely different than what the people conceive as their needs. So you have to bring a balance between both of this. If you are bringing a balance, लोक participate तेबे करिवे जेबे आपण तांको नीड उपरे काम करिवे. Otherwise, लोकंकु दरकार थिबो आपण जेमती कहले न्यूट्रिशन कि लोकों को दरकार थी स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर क्लाइमेट चेंज सागर फाइट करने आपण कहे मत भैन देवार अच्छे देन पीपल ओंट पार्टिसिपेट दे विल टेक योर चैरिटी नो मैटर व्हाट but then they will not participate.
So Ranjan Babu, we can conclude, especially in Odisha, we have no idea about the other states in the country. जे ओडिशा रे CSR एक्टिविटी जहाँ भी कॉर्पोरेट मैंने करूँचंती ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हे पारुनी कोऑर्डिनेटेड एफर्ट हे पारुनी मैडम को पाखोज भी आपण कठू जानिबा को चाहिबी जे whether it is with a heart or without heart or with a mind and heart both, how it is?
Sir, my take would be, whether CSR has a heart or not, whether are we preserving its soul? It can become heartless if we only see the performance.
Yes.
Not the outcome. So heart जेंती सर रंजन बाबू कहले सबु CSR को भितरे heart अछि सर सेथि पे से माने आज एठी अछंती सर को क्वेश्चन टा बहुत ठीक रहा इज सोसाइटी आमे आर वी डूइंग फॉर पीपल और फॉर अस नॉट ओनली फॉर पीपल विथ पीपल और नॉट लोकों को सांगरे मिसी के कामटा करूचे की ना आमरो खाली एमएचओ देबार अछि कि मोबाइल हेल्थ यूनिट देबार अछि हमें करूचे तो CSR हैज अ हार्ट पॉइंट इज where are you putting your heart and your head together? जदि आपनकर हार्ट और हेड टुगेदर न हैला it will not be sustainable as आपण भी निजर स्पीच रे कहितले CSR programs has to be sustainable for people for long term change आपण जतले बाहरिबे सेटु आपण को देखिबार अछि जे मु व्यक्तिर जीवनटा चेंज करि परली कि नै ना मोर खाली नंबर रे टिक मारली सेटा हमको देखिया निहा दरकार सर
तो आपनकर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रैक्टिकल कौन होची
सर आमर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखंतु CSR मैंडेट अपन जमती कहले 2013 पूर्वरु ही आदित्य बिर्ला ग्रुप CSR क्षेत्र रे काम करूछे ଏବଂ वी वर्क विथ हार्ट आर चेयरपर्सन डॉक्टर राजश्री जी बिर्ला whatever she is doing we are doing with heart and our goal is to improve the human development index of the country. So when we are working for people with people जेमती एबे सर संबित पात्र सर भी कहले एनेमिक सो आमे जो भी CSR काम नौचु सर सबु काम प्रथम हमर नीड परसेप्शन स्टडी होचे एंड नीड परसेप्शन स्टडी प्रति 5 वर्ष रे होचे एमिति नै जे आज करदलु 15 वर्ष जाय से नीड को नै कि चलथाउछु काम करूछु गैप एनालिसिस करूछु इंपैक्ट असेसमेंट करूछु प्रति 3 वर्ष रे जे हमरो ए कामटा इंपैक्ट केते क्रिएट करला गैप कोठी रहला सर हमरो सबटो बड़ भूल एटा भी रहउछु मु CSR रे देखुची लार्जर रे जे आमे तले काम करूछु आमे कहूछु आमे सब बढ़िया करूछु किंतु आमे कोठी ठीक करूनु कोर्स करेक्शन जो कहवा जो 3 वर्ष रो प्रोजेक्ट नेलु कोर्स करेक्शन ऊपर काम करनो आमे सब भलो करछु बोली भाबुछु
So don't you have any evaluation system from the ground what you are doing what you are putting there?
Yes.
Are you getting any feedback whether it is properly done pointed or not?
Yes. Yes.
Have a system?
Yes, we have impact assessment. Every project that is running for 3 years has to have an impact assessment. It is corporate guided from us. Impact assessment hela par ame dekhuchu je kon impact create करछि कोठी gap रहि जाइछि so next जो program ता ame planning करूछु से gap ऊपर planning करूछु से gap ऊपर आपण जदि planning करबे then actual जो माने आपण कहले anemic आमे एनीमिक वुमेन उपरे काम करछु हमको गवर्नमेंट रो स्कीम उपरे काम कर जे गवर्नमेंट कहला देयर इज एन इंजेक्शन दैट यू गिव इट टू दिस वुमेन whose weight can increase to 4 to 5 kgs every 6 months one injection. We will work on that. In 3 years we'll say how many women were there, baseline amaro kon thila, midline kon thila, end line kon hela. तापरे आउ कोण ता भितरे आसिला से एनीमिक वुमेन रो आउ किछि डिजीज आसिला कि ए इंजेक्शन जोगु. So we keep on analyzing our own work so that we can do better every time, and a life of an individual should change. Our system is well defined, well designed.
I'll come back to you. आशुतोष बाबू रिप्रेजेंट करछन्ती गोटे नवरत्न कंपनी को नालको को एंड यदि हम ओडिशा स्टैटिस्टिक्स को देखिबा ताहले 24-25 आर्थिक वर्ष रे जदि खर्च होइछि 1500-1800 रु 2200 कोटी टंका भितरे गोटे मेजर शेयर होछि नालको नालको इज डूइंग ए गुड एक्टिविटी एमसीएल भी करूछि. सो आपनकर मतामत केमती रहइबो ए जो टॉपिक उपरे where do you stand, what is your version?
Thank you, Himanshu ji. Also the esteemed learned panelists on the dais, off the dais also so many wonderful people sitting here. I'll take a little twist, give it a little twist to this topic. I'll come back to you. This one gentleman in this hall normally remains very unnoticed, still sitting there, Dr. Badri Mishra. Badri, how ticket you have? He doesn't belong to any corporate sector. Please see him. He doesn't belong to any corporate sector. He's a very private individual. But he has cremated more than 1,500 people who do not have anybody to go to the Swargadwar. He collects blood. He motivates people to plant trees. So what he is basically doing is working from his heart. We at the corporate sector do have a huge amount of fund, sometimes mostly mandated by the Companies Act. But the very question that I want to drive home to the point what Himanshu was talking about, I'll just give 2 examples. After our honorable Prime Minister, beloved Prime Minister came in 2014, one of the first item on his agenda was Swachh Bharat. And he talked about Swachh Bharat from his heart. He inspired organizations to create ODF villages, open defecation free villages. Something which across the world people have done, we had still not done that. Many companies went on to build toilets. People had those numbers. 400 toilets by X company, weighed at 500 toilets, publicized in the newspapers, got awards and rewards. How many companies are still maintaining those toilets? The companies who are still maintaining those toilets, because we know that in those villages people can't maintain it, even if you construct a toilet. Those have become storerooms or dump yards. Those companies who have maintained those toilets are the companies who do CSR with a heart. That is the difference. The second one, Government of India has asked for skilling. Skilling is a very favorite topic of CSR practitioners. But are we skilling people just for the numbers? This year I have skilled 200 people. Hindalco, our peer company in the aluminum sector, has skilled women at Tikri and employed them they have set up a factory where stitching is done for the sister concern, which is the apparels part, and these women earn 15 to 20,000 rupees, just not skilling, but they're also earning. At Nalco also, we have modified the skilling program and we're calling it skilling to working. If you are skilling somebody, take it to the logical end so that the person, he or she, is able to earn his livelihood. Otherwise, what is the meaning of skilling? You give a computer education to somebody and so volatile that knowledge that the person forgets about that. So, as a leading CPSE rooted in Odisha, Nalco has not really gone by the mandate of 2013. Since the year we started our commercial production way back in 1987, we have been spending on CSR. We used to call that peripheral development at that point of time. And every year our mandate what is the 2% mandate, we go much above that. And I just like to conclude again to the topic that if you are doing something with your heart, then you have to take care of three things. First is the project that you do should be meaningful. Meaningful not for you, but for the people, the communities for which you are doing this activity. It should come out from them, not what you think is good. Second is impactful, that was discussed, but then again, impact assessment by a third party as an exercise because your board of trustees or your board of directors want to be done is not what is something doing from a heart. The CSR practitioners must find out the impact, what impact your project is creating. And the third is, already other speakers have told, Samit Patraji was also telling, it is sustainable. You do something and forget about it, then it's meaningless. The money has gone to the drain. Projects should be sustainable. I give one example of NALCO, many of you must have seen. In 2016, when Dr. T.K. Chand, person rooted out of Puri, son of the soil, was the CMD, we set up the first of its kind battery operated service, electrical vehicle service at the Puri temple and railway stations, Puri, Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. Now it is so expensive. Setting up donating a battery operated vehicle to Sri Jagannath temple administration would cost you 7 to 8 lakhs. Nothing. But running that for the last 12 years, maintaining a crew of 30 people, overhauling those vehicles, replacing the vehicles is much costlier than actually donating the vehicles. And we are so proud that for the last 12 years, we have been serving the city sustainably. So that is what
you are
is
having
working from the heart.
into it.
I have exceeded my time. Thank you so much.
I'll just come back to Prashant Babu because he's a very veteran person in this field.
CSR, a responsibility. CSR, a responsibility without heart. Hridaya. Iswaram sarvabhutesu hridadese arjuna tishtati. Srimad Bhagavad Gita re lekha hai. So if God is in the heart, so anything you are doing, if you are not doing from your heart, you are against God. Isn't it? And Ishwara kiye se? Je nashwara nuhe. Je nashwara nuhe, je nashto huye nahi, se Ishwara, je eternal. So your sustainability comes from Ishwara. So anything you do, if it is sustainable, then it has to be from your heart. Then coming back to your responsibility. Yes, here the mind plays a role. Why the CSR Act was passed in 2013? Let me tell you, 2013, Dr. Manmohan Singh, he was pioneering this thought that how all industries will be spending for this, because industries are claiming they are spending. But it has to be quantifiable, it has to be measurable, it has to be accountable. People have to be responsible. Then this 2%, you know, I am not going into that. Those 2% and everything that come into that. But there the mind played a game. That section 135, schedule 7 come, what are the activities? That has to be computed under section 198. That how much exactly has to be spent. These are all mind, these are not from heart. So heart has an intent that we will do something. Mind, how to do it. Lopamudra ji has told, he has also told, and Avinash ji has told, and Ranjan ji also told that there is CSR in straight jacket method. That means मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ वही ठीक है. Okay, not need oriented. So point is that CSR without heart, it is not possible. CSR responsibility is a mind game. It has nothing to do with the heart. I am becoming very blunt because the metal and mining, what you see in Odisha, the spending is, it started from 344 crores in 2014. Now it is 1400 crores. So within 10 years, it has gone to this level. That is because, to be very blunt enough, Odisha is blessed with, or whatever way you can call it, metal and mining industry, where there is a natural conflict over the natural resources with the community, because the catchment, common catchment area, there is a common property resources. There, unless you spend, there is no business. So metal and mining, you have to spend, you may accept it or you may not accept this. You have to spend it for your business. But for IT sector, for banking sector, for all those things, Dr. Manmohan Singh thought of getting this back. But, sir, spending 2% is a mind game. But investing in people, that 2%, that is a hard game. That how much I am investing in the people. There the need profile came, the need analysis came, the 360-degree approach came. There is a project formulation, there is a project implementation, there is a concurrent monitoring, there is a evaluation process, there is a rethinking process, then there is a purpose. So, gone are those days when the business was done on the profit as the baseline. लाभरू आमे बेपार करिबा. Business रा, to be very honest, Gopal sir it achanti. I always tell you, sir, blunt truth, the purpose of business, whoever is doing it, the purpose of business is making profit, making more and more profit, making more and more profit is making most of the profit. That is the purpose of business. But can you sustain that profit? For sustainability, John Elkington, 1980, came out with 3P model: planet, profit, and people. I have added their purpose. That there is another word that P is missing, that is the purpose. That if there is a purpose is missing, then perhaps you are not in business and you cannot be in business for long term. You cannot be in business. There it comes to how much I am investing in people, what is the need profile of the people, and whether I am investing in the right manner, in the right place. For example, I am just giving you one example that our MP sir, Honorable MP, he told about 3 things. One is anemia, another is high BP, another is sugar. All youngsters are there. I am requesting you, please Google Kisori Express. Please Google Kisori Express. Just write Kisori Express. When Government of India was thinking of ICDS department, child and women, they were thinking. It is Jindal first we thought of adolescence. Because जीवनर ए नदीरू आर कूलकू गोटे कूलरू आर कूलकू देखा सेटा गोटे एडोलेसेंट झीर कहानी जी कि से कुमारी केतेबेले माँ हम आउ से नईटा पारी हम सेटा हला एडोलेसेंट अवस्था से को बाट दे जीवो एवं आमे एडोलेसेंट रे देखिलु menstruation, heavy menstruation leading to anemia and anemia leading to heavy menstruation. There we are the pioneer Kisori Express, Jindal Foundation. That way back in 2011, Honorable Present MP, Aparajita Sarangi, who was the health secretary at that time, she rolled out in this thing. When India did not think of adolescent health care. So point is that you have to think a bit. You have to think out of the box and you have to be pro people. And another thing, which Dr. Kalam has told me personally, when we were flying in a small plane from to Lanjigarh to inaugurate the midday meal scheme. He was just retired as president. He told me, he was knowing me before because I was in NABARD and Prime Minister's office, as you know. So he asked me, Prashant, what are you doing here? I told, I am trying to translate their dream into a reality. Their dream means the people, you know. He told, Prashant, your main task is to induct the capacity into them to dream. तांकर ड्रीम रो तांकर स्वप्न देखिवार क्षमता नहीं. So induct them to dream also. So that is a huge task for CSR professional. Anybody I can tell you, CSR का जितने भी लोग हैं सारे पागल हैं. बिना पागलपन का CSR नहीं हो सकता. अगर आप में वो पागलपन नहीं है, आप में वो जोश नहीं है, आप CSR नहीं कर सकते हो. You will only 2% you spend. कुछ नहीं तो पुराना फॉर्मूला है 31 मार्च से पहले चेक दे दो.
मैं आपको आई विल इंटरप्ट यू प्रशांत बाबू.
ठीक है.
जदि आपनकर दुईटा कथा मु आपन कहबी एवं अन्य मानक से प्रश्न पचारिबी. जदि सरकार जो 2013 रे करले 14 एप्रिल सेटा इंप्लीमेंटेशन ला जे 2% मैंडेटरी स्पेंड हबो सीएसआर ऊपर ता नथिले कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस माने की भली भाबरे सीएसआर करिथांते. दैट इज नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जदि आपण माने कहउचंती जे वी आर डूइंग सो मेनी गुड वर्क्स, व्हाई देयर इज अ नीड that every single day across media houses we receive press releases, we have done this, we have done this, we have done this. that means the beneficiaries are not perhaps your brand ambassadors. That is a feeling. It has inside me, and many couple of my good number of my media friends also, they think in the same way.
Yeah. I'll answer that. I will answer that. What was the CSR Act when G.D. Birla supported Mahatma Gandhi in a big way for the freedom movement? Was there any CSR?
No, it was nothing there.
Was there in CSR? When Mr. O.P. Jindal started the O.P. Jindal Community College and Vidya School and everything, what was the CSR at
If
that
that
time?
was the history, then why in 2013-14 a policy was to be introduced by the government of India with a 2%
Exactly,
mandate?
I'm coming to that.
Why?
I'm coming to that. मोटे ओडिया हिसाब रे ओडिशार एग्जांपल नेबी एवं सेठी बोधवे रंजन सर एग्री करिवे we have failed. We all have failed, including government. Friends, for you also, all the students, Odisha present income, present state GDP is $120 billion. Khorda is leading with 8.67, Ganjam 5.83, following that Angul, Keonjhar, Jharsuguda, like that. They are coming up to $4 billion. Below I am telling you, because why I am telling, why that was introduced. Below I am telling you, the lowest is Fulbani, Kandhamal, $0.2 billion. Uska upar jao, it is Devgarh, $0.1 billion, like that, you know, like that. Like that we are there, okay. Where the CSR fund is going? Khorda, Keonjhar, Angul, Jharsuguda, Sundargarh, where it is going? For your information, 89% of CSR fund in Odisha is going to 10 districts. Rest 20 districts are getting 11%. So CSR fund should not go with the state GDP ratio or with the industry ratio. CSR fund should complement the government efforts in Devgarh, in Kandhamal, in Nabarangpur, in Malkangiri, where there is no business footprint, there is footprint of deprivations. That is why it was conceived that how to partner both. Industries should be obliged to Government of India that they have been recognized to be a partner of sustainable growth and inclusive development.
I will come back to Ranjan Babu. से कथाटा कहबी जे 2% सरकार करने को कले तार अर्थ कौन कॉर्पोरेट माने
माने हमर कोन कि we are a society who is basically dwindles between visible losses and invisible losses. आमे जोटा visible losses टा हमको सबले देखा जाए तो normally कोन हुए and we are mostly into this GDP centric approach of thinking. आमे सबले भाबो कि whatever is contributing financially or whatever is actually directly, you know, sort of aiding to GDP is something that is development. किंतु society को आमे तले जाऊ छे आमे एई पूरी रे मु कहूची आपन को एठी गोटे गां मु कहबी समस्त को पई एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट मु संबित अवश्य भी कथा हेली उदय कणी तंडाहार एमती गां गुडा अछंती से माने वर्ष वर्ष धरि कि दे आर ड्रिंकिंग सलाइन वाटर आम पाखरे सॉल्यूशन नाही इन वी बोस्ट ऑफ सो मच ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी बट आमे से गां वाला को सॉल्यूशन आज पर्यंत देई पारिनु से माने टैंकर पानी आसीबो न आसीबो ता ऊपर अछंती मोर कहवा अर्थ होची दैट इज नॉट समथिंग वी काउंट सिमिलरली आपणकर इंडस्ट्री माने जड़े बैंक अच्छी आईडीबी बैंक और सम एक्सिस बैंक से कहीं भाव यहाँ मोर सॉल्यूशन से भाव कि मु न कले भी चलो सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक इट इज गुड दैट समथिंग हैज बीन मैंडेटेड व्हिच आई थिंक इज लिटिल लेस ताकू बढ़ा जाई पारे आउ फ्लेक्सिबल भी करा जाई पारे सेकंड जिनस हला आपणकर जो जोटा कहिले आमर प्रॉब्लम होची आमे सब बेले देखुचे कि इंडिविजुअल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऊपर आमर फोकस अछि गोटे जिनस हला इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जेमती मो कहली इज ऑन द विजिबल लॉसेस इवन ग्राउंड वाटर और सरफेस वाटर को जदि मु देखिबी मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर नॉट कंसर्न अबाउट ग्राउंड वाटर मु नईटा को सामने देखुची महानदी को देखुची मु देखुची कि नई सुखी गला मोर बहुत चिंता होची पॉल्यूशन टा को मु ऊपर देखुची but my entire groundwater reserve is contaminated and I am not concerned because that is not visible. तो मो कहूँ गोटे जिनस visible करवा पाई सरकार किछि पदक्षेप नहीं छंती और सेटा भला बिकॉज समस्त को कहगला कि दिस इज योर जॉब बट व्हाट आई एग्री कंप्लीटली इज दिस इज अ सप्लीमेंटरी जॉब अगर स्टिल गैप्स अच्छी एते फ्लोराइड इंपैक्टेड एरिया हमर ओडिसा रे अच्छी दे स्टिल नॉट गेटिंग फ्रेश वाटर कौन पाई पाउनांती? Can we direct some of our resources to those, hot spots? Can we direct some of our resources to those, all the saline intrusion areas, all the sea level rise impacted villages? 40% of Odisha's coastline is now impacted by sea level rise. So आमे सेठी देखिबार अछि, because some of the centralized systems might not actually fit into these hotspot areas. गोटे जगह रे आपण सोलार पहुंचेबे, किंतु से जेमती कहले सेठी आपण स्किलिंग भी दियंतु, सेठी आपण डेवलप करंतु, जेमती एबे the entire Odisha is now thinking of eco tourism as a model. तो इको टूरिज्म पई आपण पाखरे अछि, आपण एठी तो होटल रो स्टाफ जानि नांती, छेप पके दोचंती. एठी बड़ बड़ होटल रे गोटे स्टाफ जानुनी, से जाइकरी एबे मु देखली टॉयलेट रे ये ऊपर से छेप पकईछि somebody whoever. तो आमे एई जगह रे अच्छे कि आमर स्किलिंग लेवल इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो. आमे गोटे चिंता करूचे, गोटे विजन ऑलरेडी थॉट, गोटे ड्रीम somebody has already stated. Very good. Odisha has a lot of natural resources, but CSR सेटा भी करिवार अछि. That scaling has to go from just physical skilling to the dream level skilling. तो मु भाबुची एई प्रकार complementarity आनिले CSR money रो better use हो. I might have digressed a little from what you said, but I think that is what is needed. CSR cannot, replace what the government is doing. It can always complement and supplement.
Sir, I'll just take 1 second. What he told, actually, I agree 100%, sir. But one thing, when it was conceived, I was a part of the entire thing. There it was deliberately written one sentence, preferably in the local area. You can read that. Preferably in the local area. That means people who are industry impacted, they should be given the benefit. But why preferably was given? To get that equity which I mentioned, that see, it is not that alone Ongul or Keonjhar is giving iron ore or coal and everything. It is passing through so many districts to reach somewhere, and they are getting the coal dust, they are getting the iron dust. What about them? We have to think of those people also. So for me, Odisha is an ecosystem. Because see, I cannot change the whole world. प्रकल्प सरकारंकर विकल्प नुहे, प्रकल्प सरकारंकर सहभागी. So that equity has to be established. Equitable distribution of CSR resources.
मते प्रशांत बाबू गोटे बहुत कथा गोटे मनटा मोर आंदोलित करूची. साधारण लोकटे ऑटो ड्राइवरटे हो कि रिक्शा पुलटे गोटे कॉमन सिटीजन, दे ऑल्सो से माने कोनती एटा तो सरकार करिवो. आपण माने करोड्स ऑफ रुपीज खर्च करूचंती, प्लांट एस्टाब्लिशमेंट करूचंती, आपण एटिकार नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस को इंटेंसिवली यूज करूचंती. एंड आज यू वेरी राइटली टोल्ड, आपण प्रॉफिट को पुणी प्रॉफिट ताको मैक्सिमाइज करूचंती. एंड व्हेन यू से जे सरकारंकर विकल्प नुह, आमी वर्तमान डबल इंजिन सरकार रे वी आर गेटिंग lakhs of crores for investment through different industries into Odisha. से जगार आपणकर ए जो मानसिकता जे सरकार किछि अधिका करिबा दरकार, साधारण लोक भी कहूँ सरकार किछि अधिका करिबार रुथिबे. बोथ साइड रे ना नेबिनी, बहुत बड़ बड़ इंडस्ट्रीज अछंती रुथिबे. बोथ साइड रे ना नेबिनी, बहुत सरकार हाईवे stopping you somewhere that this part, but you can do, you have the ability to do, you have the financial support to do. But is there in government, how do you react on this?
I only take one point here. CSR has to be done with heart and mind, but CSR doesn't have a teeth. Government has the teeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
You can understand
I
that.
would like
we are
to
very
slight-
conscious citizens, so
I would like
better
to
to pass on
slightly-
everything to the government is the easiest way to escape.
I would like to slightly differ on this point. Government has given a mandate, a very clear-cut mandate that these are the things you can do. But please understand that most of that is very interpretative. How you interpret it. Because if you want to do something, I give a small example. Again, example from Puri. In Jagannath temple, which is so old, and as Sambit Patraji very rightly said, that's the gateway to Odisha, the pride of Odisha. Drinking water facility in Jagannath temple was only available at Anand Bazaar, and that too it was very, very dirty, very slippery. If you have partaken food there, the prasad there, it was very slippery, very dirty. We from NALCO thought that can't we do something on this, drinking water? So we talked to the temple administration and decided to set up a 10,000 liter per hour state-of-the-art RO plant They gave us space. It is not easy to get the space there also because Archaeological Survey of India, we had to coordinate. And then what has been done is, throughout the perimeter of Jagannath Temple Puri, you can find water dispensing units, places like very nicely done. But again, you can't put steel or any other metal pipe because ASI does not allow that. So we had to put some plastic kind of like some other material which they allowed. Again, one issue which as a government company for us, getting a utilization certificate. And in Puri Jagannath Temple, you can't say that this has been done by NALCO. It's a big issue for us because we know that every CSR activity we put up a foundation stone, inaugurated by this and that, sponsored by NALCO, hosted by NALCO, but here it is not allowed. Then we did a little bit of compromise. Fine, we'll get the utilization certificate from the SGTA, and that should suffice. And no auditor will ask for if you're getting something from the collector certified on that. So my point is that where does this come in the CSR mandate? If you go strictly by the CSR mandate, this kind of thing doesn't come. But you can always interpret it because it's a health issue. It's promoting good health for the large number of pilgrims coming to Puri Temple. And this platform, I'll also like to, since it's being telecasted, to make Puri Jagannath Temple now absolutely plastic free because God's kitchen doesn't use anything which is not biodegradable. But and with the water posts now coming up, I request the authorities there to please stop people from coming with plastic water bottles. Thank you.
Thank you. I will come back to Madam Lopa, Madam. Since you are there in the industry and doing the same work for so many years, how political influence, interference affects your work, either positive way or negative way?
Himanshu Babu, you put me on task. ସତ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମିତି କେବେ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରିନି. वी आर नॉट PSUs, so we are corporate bodies, not that much. But ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ I was posted in ରାୟଗଡ଼ା, ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଭଲ ପାଇଁ ଯଦି ଜନପ୍ରତିନିଧି କିଛି କହିଲେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଭଲ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ କହିଥିବେ.
ସେଥିରେ ପୁଣି ଦଳର ଫରକ ଥାଏ ନା, ଯଦି କଂଗ୍ରେସର ଏମ୍ପି ଥିବେ ସେ ବିଜେଡି ବାଲାଙ୍କ ଜାଗାରେ କରେଇବେନି. ଆମେ
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖୁ ଯେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସେଇଠି ଯଦି କୌଣସି ଆମର ପାରିପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଥିବା ଲୋକ
ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ବିବେକର କଲ୍ ଆପଣ ନେଇ ପାରନ୍ତି କି?
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ପର୍ସପେକ୍ଟିଭରୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ କୋଉ କାହା ଉପରେ ବିଲିଭ୍ କରୁଛି. ବଟ୍ ଆମର ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିବାର ଥାଏ ଯେ whether people are involved in that, whether it is good for the common people that is there. ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାରିପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଥିବା ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଉନ୍ନୟନ ପାଇଁ ଏଇ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟା ହେଉଛି, then we will always be there to work for them. Politics ମୋତେ ସେମିତି ଲାଗୁନି ଯେ any organization or CSR ବିଶେଷ କରି ସାର୍, ଆମେ ତ PSU ନୁହେଁ ସାର୍, ଯେମିତି କହୁଥିଲେ ରଥ ସାର୍, ଆମେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ କମ୍ପାନୀ, so we work as per what is our P&Bs are there, need based assessment ଉପରେ ଆମେ କାମ କରୁ. ତେଣୁ ବିଶେଷ କରି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମିତି କେବେ ଫିଲ୍ କରିନି. ମାଇ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଭ୍ୟୁ, ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ନେଭର ଫେଲ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱେ. Whenever it has come, I think every time it was a genuine request. ଯେମିତି where I am right now, somebody says कि solar street light की ज़रूरत है. So like solar street lights are required. It is required because it is dark. So then we will put it in our thought and a strategy that if not this year, how can we do it next year?
But we can say if there is no conflict, but there is political mandate to do something.
No, for us, I don't think so. We are not a PSU. Again, I am reiterating that.
So I'll come back to Professor Mandal. This 2% mandate and the volume of dent, damage we make to the nature around, is that sufficient? Or theoretically, it should be better, it should be more, the 2% should be more. How do you think? Because you are an academician, then you are into detailed theoretical study also. So how do you think this 2% is sufficient, or it should be 20%, or it should be 22%? Because the volume of dent we are creating around the industry, will it be sufficient to compensate that loss to the nature?
Again, that's tricky. So I'm not exactly aware of this 2% is fine, but this 2% amounts to how many crores? So that amount I'm not very sure. But as far as, again, I'll talk in context of technical institutes. So I think even if a fraction of the 2% is given to these technical institutes, I think they can do a great job. Now with this good startup ecosystem coming into picture, like with the great initiative of 100 Cube, like Dharmendra Pradhan ji, you can see, so we have one at IIT Bhubaneswar and one at IIT Sambalpur. I think if this 2% and a fraction of it can be well utilized in this IIT system, I think the startups can do a great job. For example, as he was talking about this saline water, right? So there are well-established technologies by the desalination plants are available. Technologies are available, but I'm not very aware of the cost of the setting up this plant. So that is one strategy where desalination plants can be set up so that people get clean drinking water and all those things. And like we have the two people from aluminum industry, and coincidentally I also happen to be the aluminum man, so I have been working for the last 20 years on aluminum alloys. So my MTech, PhD, postdoc in US, it's all been aluminum and aluminum. So I'm fortunate that I'm sharing stage with the aluminum industry. So it's a coincidence in one way. So again, recycling is something where we need to spend this money so that we can recycle more of it. I'm talking about the metals, since we have the metallurgists in this panel. So that is somewhere I think IITs can contribute.
Okay, I'll come back to Ranjiva. This may be the last question, and we will just conclude it one statement from each of our. Yes, please.
What Professor said, wonderful, very nice. But you're talking about investing in R&D. You're talking about investing in the startup ecosystem. We look at how many people's life we are touching through our CSR initiatives.
Yes.
You do your R&D, come up with the health kiosks. What Sambit Patraji was talking about. We can invest in that because that health kiosk may be subscribing to 5 villages, impacting say 15,000 people. That can be a good CSR investment, but investing, because investment for R&D and startup ecosystem, I'm fully for that, but the CSR cannot really be meaningful, very meaningful, unless you have a very huge CSR.
So what I feel, what he means to say-
Sorry, sir. During COVID period, with your permission, it is the R&D investment of the industries that has helped a lot to come out with medicines, to come out with vaccines and everything. For your small things, you know that recently, this national flag, which when you enter Puri, you can see a national flag which is by us. Okay, that national flag we have partnered with. We have partnered with IIT Kharagpur so that it doesn't get torn with 20-kilometer wind. When it is 80 kilometers, 70 kilometers, it may. So IIT Kharagpur has contribution. And more than 2% आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, इसमें एक चीज आपको मैं बोलता हूँ. If you are going more than 2%, you are doing it from your heart only. क्योंकि दिल है तो मानता नहीं.
हाँ.
दिल है तो मानता नहीं. मत करो.
I have a suggestion. वो 2% को 2% रहने देते हैं. That 2% should be there. What Professor Mandal suggested. Lot of research should be done. R&D should be done. That money should be separately come from the corporates for the R&D, so that this 2% is utilized in the best way. I'll come back to Ranjan Babu. ଆପଣ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁଠି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲାଇଜେସନର ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଦବଦବା ଅଛି, ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ହେଉଛି, ସବୁକିଛି ହେଉଛି. ଆପଣ CSR ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଟାଞ୍ଜିବଲ୍ ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ଗଲା 5 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ଦେଖିପାରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ସାଇଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ କି?
नहीं डेफिनेटली देर जमी आप देखो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाय CSR रे होची आउ बहुत इंडस्ट्री करचंती तो जो जगह रे तो टैंजिबल सेटा आपण देखि परिबे दैट इज समथिंग. सेकंड टैंजिबल होची बहुत इंडस्ट्री एबे गछ लगौचंती सैपलिंग्स. सो आई डोंट एग्री विथ ऑल दैट टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, बट सेटा टैंजिबल आपण देखि परिबे कि से माने प्लांटेशन करचंती. सो एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दैट विल आल्सो बेनिफिट. किंतु कथा होची जोटा मु सेते बेलू कहवा चाहूली कि देर इज अ लैक ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस. आपणकर CSR केबे प्लानिंग झारसुगुड़ा रे करछंती, सुंदरगढ़ रे करछंती, जोठी आपण डायरेक्ट एक्सट्रैक्शन करछंती, ସେଇଠି ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ରିଜୁଭିନେସନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ରିଚାର୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ୱାଟର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ରିଜୁଭିନେସନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଦର ଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହୋଲ୍ଡର୍ସ ତାଙ୍କର କନଭର୍ଜେନ୍ସର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି CSR ଗୋଟେ ଏନାଦର ସାଇଲୋ ଆପଣଙ୍କର IIT ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଲୋ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିଜ୍ ଆର୍ ଏ ସାଇଲୋ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଆର୍ ସାଇଲୋଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦେମସେଲ୍ଭସ୍ ସୋ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆଉ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣାନ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରରେ ଆମକୁ ବୁଝିବାର ଅଛି ଆମେ ରିଏଲି କିଛି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ କରୁଛେ we are too much dependent on a collector actually गोटे कलेक्टर 30-300 कमिटीर चेयरपर्सन अच्छा से कमिटी केवे बसी पारंतनी आ जो एक्चुअली कन्वर्जेंस हवा कथा तो मु भावुची यदि आम रियली सीरियसली इंटरेस्टेड देन वी शुड डिसेंट्रलाइज सम ऑफ द पावर्स पंचायत को एम्पावर करंतु NGOs लोकल NGOs को सपोर्ट करंतु एकेडमिक एंड CSR एंड NGOs एंड डिपार्टमेंटल कन्वर्जेंस पाई लोकली काम करंतु so some I don't say कि you put in some money from CSR but you put in some energy on that otherwise आमे पुणी देखिबा 50 जिमती चाइना रे कोन हैला चाइना रे हैला गछ लगे चलले एमती हैला कि लोकल माइक्रो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस रिवर्सल ऑर्डर को आसिला गोटे समय यू कैन जस्ट कीप ऑन प्लांटिंग समथिंग no knowledge of the species no plan how you are rejuvenating a resource you are just planting ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କରି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁ ପାଣି ପିଟା କାମ କୁହାଯାଏ ତ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ସେଇଠୁ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ଅଛି ଆମର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ହେଲା ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଚିନ୍ତାରେ ଅଛୁ ହିଟ୍ ମେନାସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଆମର ପାଣି କମିଗଲା ଆଜି ଆମେ ଚିନ୍ତା ଅଛୁ ସୁପର ଏଲିନୋ ବଟ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ ସେଇ 2-3ଟା ଜିନିଷ କରୁଛୁ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ସଫା କରୁଛୁ ଗଛ ଲଗାଉଛୁ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଦୁଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛୁ କି ମାନେ ଟୋକେନିଜିମ୍ ଏନଭାରନମେଣ୍ଟାଲିଜିମ୍ ଯେଉଁଟା ଚାଲିଛି ବା ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଇଠୁ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିବାର ଅଛି ଅଲ୍ ଗୁଡ୍ ମୁଁ କହୁନି କି କୌଣସିଟା ଖରାପ ଆମ ନିଜ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପେନ୍ରେ ବି ଆମର ୟୁଥ୍ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ କ୍ଲିନ୍ ଅପ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଇଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ has to stop from your home itself otherwise it will reach to the sea no matter how much cleanups you do crores of rupees are being spent every day